How to create a shared Google Calendar on Android. Hi everybody, here's how you can do it. So let's just get started. First of all, head over the Calendar application and open it up. And then once you open it up, you should be finding your calendar right here. So what you can do is, in order to share it, if you're on a mobile device, you can share events and tasks. So for that, in the bottom right corner, we have this plus icon. Go ahead and tap on it. And when you tap on it, you can either create up a task or event. For now, let's head over to event and tap on it. And go ahead and create up an event. For example, if somebody's birthday is coming near, you can mark it by typing in birthday as a title. After that, selecting up your Google Calendar. And we have this option of add people. You can add up the people that you would like to share it with. So go ahead and tap on add people. And under add people, just type in the name, the email address like this. And you can just go ahead and tap on done at the top right corner once that is done. And this event will be shared with other guests. So this is it. You can add description, default color, or notification as well. After that, tap on save at the top right corner and tap on send. And there you go. This is how you basically share your Google Calendar. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.